Hi, my name is Heraclio Salaiz.
I am Lasse Luomakoski.
My name is Soili Hyvönen.
And my name is MacKenzie. Welcome to our presentation.
We are from the Helsinki School of Economics BSc BA in International Business program. For our course, Digital Applications in International Business, our project was to create marketing solutions with different Web 2.0 applications.
Web 2.0 refers to the second generation of Internet development that facilitates communication, sharing, and collaboration of information. The applications used in this course were mashups, virtual worlds, wikis, on-demand retail shops, and for our group, social networks.
Our client for this course is the Digitization Center of the National Library of Finland. In our course, we develop new marketing solutions for their digital collections using Web 2.0 to enhance awareness and interaction with their customer base.
Social networks have become increasingly popular in the last couple of years. Networks like MySpace and Facebook have started to change the way people are connected and how they interact. Social networks also have business and marketing solutions. A presence in one or more of the multiple networks and a well-designed profile can be an effective way for a company or an organization to create awareness and keep in touch with its customers.
Profiles for the digital collection could provide a valuable tool for the Digitization Center to interact with its customers, scholars, students, researchers, and others who are interested in Finnish newspapers, ephemera, and journals from between the 18th and 20th century. Facebook by Kara and Soili.
We are going to introduce our Facebook prototype and how it works.
Facebook is the fastest growing social networking site, and it has millions of personal and business users.
And this is the homepage of Facebook. Here you can sign up for a profile, and by following a few simple steps, you can create a page similar to what we have created for our client. And here you can see the page. Here we have included the title of the page, which is the Digital Collections, National Library of Finland. And here we have added some contact information like the location and the phone number. Here also is some extra information and a link to the website of the client, and also some additional information about what the client is doing. Here in Minifeed you can see all the activity that has been going on the site for the last few days. For example, you can see that the National Library of Finland, which is the user of this site, wrote on the wall, and all that is shown here. And also you can see that some pictures have been added lately. The wall here is displaying all comments and any postings that have been done by the client or any users or fans of the client or of this site. For example, here you can see a link to the biggest digital library in the world.
Next, we have the discussion board. This is where topics can be added by the client or other users, and then anyone can comment on them. We'll go into look at what it looks like. So for example, in this discussion board, it says what to do with the documents once they have been digitalized. We'll go back to the website. And anyone can add discussion topics. Now back at the top of the page, here we can see fans of the site. This means users that have linked themselves to the pages from their profile, and then it shows up that they're linked to this site. Messages can also be sent out to all the fans from the users. Next we have a section for photos. For example, here we have an album called Digital Collections, and you can see examples of works that have been digitalized. Now back to the website. Next we have a section about links. This links the web. You can put up links to other websites, such as the original website for the Digitization Center, the Library of Finland, or any other social networking sites that the client may have. And next is a section about notes. This is similar to a blog. The user can add different topics and can be seen by the users of the site. There are also many other applications available to the client, and they're really simple to add to the site, and they can be added at any time. Alright, that was our Facebook prototype.
Ning by Lasse and Heraclio.
Next we'll introduce Ning, an alternative to Facebook with a slightly different approach. From the homepages of Ning, you can sign up and by following directions to create a new network. This is the network that we created for our client.
One of the biggest differences that Ning has from Facebook is that instead of creating your profile, you create your own social network, so you can add profiles of the users. Here we have a small description of our client.
In Ning, people can sign up as members of our client's network right here, and below it there's an option of creating groups. These groups can be anything like interest groups or groups for students and for researchers.
We can also add media to our website. Here we see a slideshow of pictures playing. There's also a chance of adding a video if you want to get the attention of the users. We have forums also that if we go into one of them, we can see that there's a question and there's some paragraphs, so the user can answer or add any suggestion or ideas as they want. Let's go back to our website.
The latest activities section shows what's been happening on the pages, for example if there's been any events or blog posts. Then an interesting option is the RSS feed. The RSS feed gives the client the possibility to feed a blog straight from their own pages or from another interesting web page.
Talking about blogs, that's another option that the client can use. They can add any information to this blog and the users can read it from there. And also they can add events, whatever is new in the library, or if there's any new Digi object out there, they can post it as an event and all the users can check it out by checking the latest activity.
And this is just the basic free version, and with the optional premium version that comes with a monthly free fee, the client can get the network ad-free and with more customizable interface. The possibilities for social networking are endless, and the benefits to our client by joining Facebook and Ning or other networks are exceptional.
The ease of use, the customization, and far-reaching capabilities of the networks can reach their marketing objectives of increased awareness and increased interaction in an excellent manner.
In conclusion, we highly recommend our client to take advantage of these sites. We believe it is essential for success in the future.
That concludes our presentation.
We would like to thank you for your time.
Our team had fun working on the project.
And we hope you all enjoyed it.
You know, it's funny because like, let's do it one more time.
Who and do we, you know?
Alright. What's my line thing? That concludes our presentation. The easiest. Alright. That concludes our presentation.
We would like to thank you for your time.
Our team had fun working on the project.
And we hope you all enjoyed it.
Alright, but Soili had a little pause.
Yeah.
Practice.
Oh, it took 6 times for the other one, so it's okay.
So
Yeah.
let's do it all in a row.
Alright, here we go. That concludes our presentation.
We would like to thank you for your time.
Our team had fun working on the project.
And we hope you all enjoyed it.
We sound like robots. You know?
I know.
It doesn't matter. Let's